Hey guys, welcome back to the Tune-Up. Nobody likes a thief. I think we can all say that. But the thief, Satan, has played us all at one time or another and will continue to play us. He is relentless in exerting his influence in every way he can. In relationships, in morals, in spiritually illuminating moments, and in emotional experiences. He's always involved. The reason is that this is where he gains the most in the basic transactions of our soul. But knowing this diminishes the chances that he can play you or manipulate you. Of course, just knowing isn't enough. You must know him. His character and his ways, it manifests in his conduct. When you see certain dynamics in people and in situations, those affect certain clues about their source. To catch a thief, the spiritually aware God's man must make the casual connections. Jesus didn't hesitate to out Satan when his radar picked up Satan's telltale qualities. He knew. He knew that was Satan. His radar blinked red and squawked for a number of reasons. If we look carefully, we can get a picture of the unrepentant character that we are dealing with. Watch and learn from the Master. He is the God-man who lives within you. Here is what he had to say about Satan. He has murderous intent. He lies and deceives to justify evil actions. He practices self-interest, and self-gratification at others' expense. He uses mental diversion and distraction to eliminate spiritual transformation. He uses many words to mask his lack of integrity. He hijacks God's plan through man's passions and self-interests. He opposes the advancement of the gospel in one's life. Can you say deception? You can bet on his involvement. That's what thieves do. I hope this gets you thinking this week and get you tuned in to who Satan really is and how he affects your life each and every day. So until next time, keep tuning away, and we'll see you later.